Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is November weekly reading from November 9 to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. So under the deck, Page of Wands, the Tower, Empress and Knight of Pentacles. Someone new is coming into your life and they want to offer stability and they want to offer their life to you. For some, right now you're focusing on your own self. You're doing your own thing, focusing on your finances here. Yeah, you want to be in the Empress energy. Emotionally, you want to be an emotionally very strong person here. Because right now you're going through a lot something in your life. The Tower. And for some you will receive text or communication from your person and for some this person is a player always in and out of your life. So let's see your reading. Scorpio, recent past, King of Wands, Two of Cups and Six of Pentacles. Yeah, the love between you and your person was mutual in recent past, but there were some issues between you and your person. Maybe they treated you as an option, they neglecting you, so then you realized you want to take your power back. Yeah, you took your power back finally in recent past because King of Wands is there. So you took your power back. Then present, Nine of Wands, Seven of Swords and Knight of Cups. So you completely guarded up, because they are playing games with you, mind games, and cheated on you, lied to you. So that's why you are guarded up. But again, they are trying to come back with an apology here, Scorpio. And for some of you a brand new person is coming into your life. Then future, Seven of Wands, the Moon and Ace of Wands. So you are in a defensive mode. You are protecting yourself, you're protecting your emotions here, and lot of trust issues involved. Maybe they are hiding something from you, and you will started something new in your life in future, new opportunities, new beginnings for you. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Page of Cups. Definitely they want to say apology to you because they did hurt you. So they played so many games with you. That's why they want to say apology here. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Two cards. Queen of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. Maybe the other woman is also involved in this connection. It could be your mother, it could be their mother, it could be other person. Queen of Pentacles. Let's see their intentions also. A lot of Queens of Cups. Definitely other woman is also involved in this connection. Nine of Pentacles. Oh my God. All women. And under the deck, High Priestess, Eight of Wands, Three of Cups and Knight of Wands. They're rushing towards you with a lot of passion and they want to communicate with you and they want this reunion and they want this celebration with you, Scorpio. Yeah, the high priestess. Maybe they started listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition. At the same time, they're hiding something from you. Now they want to reveal that to you. So the current feelings: Queen of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, and Queen of Wands. Your person is very, very stubborn. Yes, very stubborn. They are not expressing their true feelings to you. Yes, very dominative in nature. They want to take action, at the same time, they want to be on their power. And they keep putting you on waiting mode. Yes, still they are playing waiting game with you, Scorpio. And their intentions: Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. Maybe your person is a very career oriented person, very workaholic person. Right now they are focusing on their money. That's why there is some waiting game is going between you and your person. But they do love you and they want to share their life with you. But again, you have to wait for some time, because your person is stubborn with you, they're being cold with you. But inside of them, definitely they do love you, because Queen of Cups is here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on and outcome. Ten of Pentacles came in reverse. Maybe there is no stability. Stability could be the issue. Commitment could be the issue. Definitely your person is stuck on you. They can't move on you and they can't let you go very easily. And yeah, justice. They want second chances here. Maybe one person in this connection going through some legal issues or some divorce. Maybe one person is going through legal process here. Yeah, a lot of trust issues and secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Yeah, juggling. You're juggling here. Maybe you're juggling between your head over your heart because you're feeling stuck. Maybe some of you, you know that this person may be toxic for you, or you're feeling stuck, or you have some fears regarding this relationship. Yeah, you are in some dilemma whether to stay or move on from this relationship, because the Chariot, that's why you are in very slow moving. But there is lots of communication is coming in your way, Scorpio. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Three of Pentacles to Chariot. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. And yeah, you're both thinking about each other a lot. Now they really want to work on this relationship. But you are focusing on yourself. For some, maybe right now you want to focus on yourself. And you leave your decision to the divine timing here, Wheel of Fortune. And you are on your power. You're not going to make any more. They have to and they will, and they are here. Definitely they're going to make a move towards you. And maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here, so they are coming to you. But for some it will take some time, but they're thinking about you a lot here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But for some, maybe some of you, very few, this person may be toxic for you. That's why they wanna say apology to you. They are selfish, they have ego, that's why they're taking their time here. Options. For some, maybe your person have options. New love is coming, mask. Options, new love is coming, mask are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. The energy is gaining momentum, waxing Moon, and your commitment is being tested. For some it is a testing time for you, but don't worry, be honest and do your work consistently. And a personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer here, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will receive all my notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.